The real American Revolution occurred a century after the War for Independence against England. The event which brought the real transformation of American society was the Civil War in 1861 to 65. Thus, it was real American Revolution. Before the Civil War, the most powerful class in America was the planter aristocracy in the southern states.
The most powerful citizens in America were the planters house. The southern part of America, and they were planters, they owned a lot of land. But then, what happened? They became very powerful. They're owners of land. They are airplanes. They use airplanes and helicopters to harvest.
Wow! Kasyad.
Rich.
Meron ginto sa damit. The Civil War and events that follow reverse the whole picture. A new class of ambitious, self-made men composed of free farmers of the West, industrial capitalists of the eastern cities, and bold entrepreneurs of the North.
Okay, so those people in the north, they became industrialists. They were the ones who created the industrial cities of New York. Right?
They took new advantage of the new lands, railroads, and natural resources, and they strengthened their economic and political interests.
By the way, these industrialist people from the west who went to north and became industrialists, they were the cowboys. The owners of the cowboys, the owners of the ranch. The cowboys, they started going to the east, on the northern part. They nag-invest in the
The true revolution in America came after the Civil War, when out of the ashes of the war emerged a new industrial giant and world power. Causes of the Civil War.
For instance, when there were civil wars in America.
The causes of the American Civil War were as
Civil
follows.
wars between the north and south.
So, ito.